The world may have gone into lockdown, but that hasn't stopped Huawei from churning out amazing technologies from here on out. And that's what we're going to be taking a look at this episode in Ungeek. Hi, my name is Colin, and we're going to be looking at the Huawei P40 series, particularly the Huawei P40 Pro. But before we go into the unboxing and our first look at the Huawei P40 Pro, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're outing more and more videos for you guys. Plus, we're currently running a giveaway for you guys. If you have not seen our Dragon Ball Z X Pen Shop video, I will link it up here or link it down there because we're running a giveaway within that. So check that out after this and join the giveaway. Who knows, you might actually win a cool Dragon Ball Z bag plus a couple of more stuff. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go on to the unboxing. So as you can see, the Huawei P40 Pro comes in a typical white Huawei box, and there is this icon that says explore it on the app gallery. So as you could have guessed, the Huawei P40 Pro does not come with the Google mobile services. It does come with its own app store, hence this thing here, so you can explore all the top apps at the Huawei app gallery. We do have a guide for you if you want to install all the top apps on the Huawei app gallery. So if you want to get this and you still want to gain access to all of your familiar apps, I'm going to link that video down below, so check that out as well. So here we go. So right out of the box, we have here a really gorgeous 6.5-inch OLED quad overflow display. And the unit that we actually got has a nice deep blue colorway. So this is the deep sea colorway, one of the many various colorways that Huawei P40 Pro has. The P40 line actually has one of the most beautiful colorways that Huawei has ever outed. And Huawei has been known to be creating a lot of colorful phones from the past even. The color of the unit that we have right now actually reminded us of some of the older P series from Huawei, you know, from the P30 to the P20 even. Personally speaking, I'd rather go with the blush gold colorway because it kind of reminded me of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G. Speaking of 5G, the P40 series, the entire P40 series comes with a 5G SoC. So we're talking about the Kirin 990 5G, one of the fastest processors created by Huawei. So moving forward, the Huawei P40 Pro also comes with a soft clear jelly case, which adds a little bit more protection to your phone. And as always, it comes with a USB Type-C wire and a charger that has 40 watts supercharging capability. As you can see, this charger isn't really the usual charger that we get from Huawei. It only means that the unit that we got is not really meant for the Philippine market. It's probably either foreign market or an engineering market. But you know, we have a first look at this and we're really excited. Oh, and it does come with a Type-C headphone as well, because with the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus, you don't have any 3.5mm jack anymore. And as mentioned, the Huawei P40 Pro comes with the quad OLED overflow display. This actually makes the bezels really thin, so you can have more screen-to-body ratio. And aside from that, the display actually comes with a stunning 90Hz refresh rate, which makes swiping through apps really smooth. But the main focal point of the Huawei P40 Pro is its camera. In fact, the whole P series is all about fine-tuning the camera and fine-tuning photography and videography. And if you think the camera sensors on the Mate 30 Pro is huge, the camera sensors on the P40 Pro is bigger. Much like the cameras on the P30 Pro, the cameras on the P40 Pro actually comes with a quad camera setup as well. But this time, it's actually more powerful. We're talking about a 50-megapixel ultra-vision wide-angle camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide super sensing cine camera, so this is your cinema camera, a 12-megapixel super sensing ultra-wide camera, and a 3D time-of-flight camera. Out of 4 of them, 2 of those have AIS and OIS stabilization equipped. This actually gives you a better handle on your photography and, more importantly, on your videography skills. Now, there are a lot of smartphones that create decent to really good photography, but not a lot can actually do so on the video side. Personally, I can't wait to try this out. In fact, it's one of the key selling points of the whole P40 series. More particularly, the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus. For those who love to take selfies, don't worry because Huawei thought of you guys as well. Now, in this cute punch hole camera module sits a 32-megapixel selfie camera and a depth sensor as well, so that when you take your selfies, you can create amazing bokeh, even on videos. Now, amazing camera modules aside, it doesn't really make sense if you don't have the right processor for it. Luckily enough, the Huawei P40 series is equipped with the Kirin 990 5G SoC. So that's right, we're talking about the SoC from the Mate 30 Pro 5G, which we have tested before. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it somewhere up here or down below. And it's actually fitted on all the P40 series. So regardless if you're getting the base model, the P40 Pro, or the P40 Pro Plus, you will get a Kirin 990 5G, which according to Huawei is the best of its class. Coupling the power of your processor is an 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This can be extended, of course, with the nano memory, but all of these good stuff is really just scratching the surface because the Huawei P40 series comes with the EMUI 10.1 out of the box. What does this mean? So aside from a more streamlined UI, one of the key features that Huawei is pushing for is the ability to really maximize multiple window and multiple display capabilities of your phone. With a slide and hold on the edge, it actually opens up another window which houses various apps for quick access. Example, while you're browsing or while you're checking stuff out and you need to open your calculator, instead of simply opening up the app itself, you can actually just drag and pull and check your calculator and click it, and it's going to come up with a floating app that you can use on the go, which is a very clean and intelligent design, if I do say so myself. And one of the cool features is you can actually use multiple windows and split your screen into different windows and different apps, like so. During the launch, one of the key things that Huawei wants to push for is the connected lifestyle of the entire ecosystem. This actually means that you can transform your phone into a multi-device control panel, which allows you to gain control of various Huawei devices just with your phone. Finally, security features are not forgotten with the Huawei P40 line. You have still the in-screen fingerprint scanner, and if that's not enough for you, you can do face unlock as well. Powering everything for the Huawei P40 Pro is a 4200 mAh battery with 40 watt supercharger capability. If you want to do wireless charging, the Huawei P40 Pro is equipped with 27 watts of super fast wireless charging. And if you want to do wireless charging, which Huawei is one of the first that actually pushed the technology, you can do so with your Huawei P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. For the times that you need to charge other people's phones and you don't have a power bank with you, simply tap and charge. Now, as for price point, the Huawei P40 has an SRP of 36,990, while the Huawei P40 Pro has an SRP of 50,990. Pretty much, a discounted version of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G is equivalent to the price of the Huawei P40 Pro. And here's the great part: if you're actually keen on checking out or wanting one for yourself, personally speaking, I'd get one of this in blush gold. But that's me. But if you're really keen on getting one, pre-orders are happening right now. And this is the time for you to take advantage of those. Why? Because they're giving away so many freebies. And the freebies can rack up to 33,000 pesos. That's right, 33,000 pesos. Now, currently, you can pre-order the P40 series from Shopee, Lazada, and from Memo Express. And each of those shops have varying promos for their pre-orders. However, all of them have flash sales that can actually get you the famed Huawei X Gentle Monster eyewear. This is something that I absolutely want. If you want to know more about the pre-order details, check out ungeek.ph. I'm gonna link down the pre-order details below so you can check it out. And if you actually want to get a chance to have a Huawei X Gentle Monster with your new P40 Pro phone, the pre-order runs from now until April 3. So please hurry. And that's it. That's all the time we have for you today. What about you guys? What do you think about the Huawei P40 Pro? Let us know in the comment section down below if this is a phone that you might be considering getting. And as always, guys, it's quarantine period, so please, please, please do keep safe. I know you guys are at home. I'm at home as well, hence the weird background here. I have to scrounge up everything to make this home studio work. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead. Kakayanin natin to. We will get through this. Kapit lang. I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Bye-bye. Keep on gaming.